Hi everyone, my name is Phang and I'm going to present my real-time programming individual assignment 1. Introduction. Weather on the Go is a Telegram bot that provides real-time weather update especially to travelers. It simplifies access to weather data, addressing the limitations of slow and complex weather apps. Built with IntelliJ IDEA and Maven, the bot integrates APIs like OpenWeather, StormGlass, sunset sunrise times, and OpenCage for weather, marine data, timings of sunset and sunrise, and geocoding. It was tested locally and deployed on the cloud via Docker, offering features such as current weather, 4K air quality, timings of sunset and sunrise, and marine data through a user-friendly interface. This is Docker Hub where we can view my Docker repository. Here we can see the push command and the tag and the pull command. So now let's move to Telegram and test the boot. We enter a command, but the boot is not function. Next, we open the Docker desktop, run the Docker container, okay, return to Telegram, enter the command again, and we will find that the bot is now functioning as expected. So this proves that the Docker is successfully running on my laptop. So now I will continue my presentations by demo my bot. This is my bot name and this is my bot username. This is some description about my bot. So we'll click the menu to start the bot. The bot will ask us to choose a command and here we have 6 commands. So first we choose the weather command. The bot will show the correct format to enter the command. So we need to follow the instructions. So first we try the para. And the bot will display the weather conditions in para. So now we try and incorrect locations. So the bot will display an error message. So move to the next command, 4Ks. So for the 4Ks, there's 2 types of commands. We try the first command first. Try equal. So for the first type of command, the bot will show the 3-day 4Ks for the specific locations. So try the second type of commands. This command is used to retrieve the 4Ks for the specific date. So for this command, the bot only will display the 4Ks for the specific date. So we try another. So for this case, the bot will display an error message because it only can fetch the 4Ks until the next 5 days from now. So now we try and incorrect locations. And the bot also will display an error message. So goes to the air quality command. So we copy the command. And we try equal. And the bot will display the air quality index and pollutant levels for the equal. We try and incorrect locations. And the bot will display an error message. So goes to the next command, sunrise and set. So we copy the command and put the locations. And we can see the times of sunrise and sunset for the specific locations. So we try an incorrect locations. So it will display the error message. So go to the next command, marine. So we copy the command. So we try Langkawi. So the marine weather, the board will display the marine weather data for Langkawi. So now we try Johor. So we can see that some data shows data unavailable. This is because inside the API didn't have the data about Johor. So now we try an incorrect locations. So it will display an error message. So goes to the last command, which is help. The help command will show a list of commands that we can use. This is the UML class diagram generated by using the tools inside IntelliJ IDEA Ultimate. This diagram shows the relationship between different classes. This is my Java doc. I have 7 classes, which is air quality, current weather, forecast, main, marine weather, sunrise, sunset, and weatherboard. I have separated each functionality into different classes. It follows the principle of separation of concerns and modularity, making each class responsible for specific features. This structure ensures that the bird remains flexible, maintainable, and easy to extend in the future. So now I'm going to present all the class. The first one is the main class. Main class is used to initialize and register the weatherboard with the Telegram board API. The method summary. The method used is main. So the second is weatherboard. The weatherboard class interact with user to provide weather-related information such as current weather, air quality, forecast, sunrise and sunset times, and marine weather. It listens for command from user and respond accordingly with the relevant information. Method summary: get boot token, get boot username, and on update receive. So the third class is air quality. The air quality class provides method to fetch and display air quality data for a specific city using the Open Weather Map API. The data include the air quality index and pollutant levels. Method summary: we use the get air quality method. So the fourth class is current weather. The current weather class provides method to fetch and display the current weather conditions for a given city using the Open Weather Map API. The data include temperature, feels like temperature, humidity, wind speed, weather description, and an icon. The method used is display weather icon, get weather, and process weather requests. So the fifth class is forecast. The forecast class provides method to fetch weather forecast data from the Open Weather Map API. It includes a 3-day forecast for a specific city and a specific forecast for a given city and date. Method summary: get specific forecast, get weather forecast. So the sixth class is marine weather. The marine weather class fetches marine weather data for a given location using the Stormglass API. It retrieves latitude and longitude coordinate for the specific location using the OpenCage geocoding API. The class provides information such as water temperature, swell height, wave height, and other marine conditions. Method summary: get marine weather. The last class is sunrise sunset. The sunrise sunset class provides functionality to fetch sunrise and sunset times for a given location using the sunrise sunset API and the OpenCage geocoding API. Method summary: get sunrise sunset.